Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2026. I hope you're doing well. Hope you had a nice weekend. We actually had my uncle and aunt visit from Delaware, my dad's brother, and he's the only uncle I have left on my dad's side, so it's always really nice when I get to spend quality time with him and my aunt. And so we had a busy weekend. It was fun, and I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm going to give you just a quick silver update. But if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years, full-time since 2018, and I enjoy helping other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, when I checked, I'm out running errands right now, and I just dropped off 550 envelopes to opportunity seekers. I did a post on Facebook and YouTube about my Quicksilver business. Okay, so I thought I'd do a video while I'm out here running errands. I'm going to the shop to pack up some orders, and then I have to do some soap deliveries later on this afternoon. So I thought I'd do a silver update. Now, when I checked silver last time, or earlier this morning, it was at $77.40, and that's down a little bit from last week when it was up to $85 a week ago. But I think that it's just, we know how volatile silver is. And I've heard both things. I've heard people say, and when I say people, I'm talking about the experts that I listen to. I'm no expert. I'm just relaying what I'm hearing. So do your own due diligence. But I've heard experts say that there was going to be a crash coming soon, and that silver could fall even more. And then I've heard the opposite, where they say, silver could go up to, $100+ within the next month or two. So, I don't know. Nobody has a crystal ball, and it just, this is how silver is. It doesn't move in a straight line. Like I said, it's very volatile. It's always up and down. But I don't worry about it. I don't get stuck on the numbers, I'm not one of these people that check the numbers every single day, all day long, to see if it's going up or down. I know that in the long run it's going to go up, because that's what we've seen for all the decades that we've been tracking silver. It's done nothing but go up, even though there's some pullbacks here and there once in a while. So I have no doubt in my mind that it's going to continue to go up, especially, like we talked about in my other videos, how much it's in demand for everything. All the AI data centers, the electric vehicles, the solar, all of our electronics, the medical industry, water purification systems, the list goes on and on, right? Every house in America, has silver in it. So it's just, oh, my nose itches today. What does that mean when your nose itches? Are you going to fall into money or something? It's the pollen. I mean, yesterday it was so windy up here that the pollen is just, it's getting crazy now. And a lot of people here where I live, they don't cut their grass in May, for no-mow May, so the bees can pollinate. But I'll tell you what, it's starting to affect me right now. But anyway, I digress. I'm not worried about silver, okay? All I know, my goal is just to continue stacking silver. That's my goal. I'm not worried if it goes down to $30, because if it does, I'm just going to buy more of it, right? If it goes up to $200, that's awesome. I'm going to make a lot of money, right? But I just know deep down that over time it's just going to continue to go up. So I don't get too caught up in what it's doing here and there, but I do like to do these videos once in a while, and the market's still trying to decide, what the base is. Because a few months ago we were up to $120 an ounce, then we dropped down into the 60s. We were up into, the 80s last week, and now we're back down into the 70s. So I think it's just trying to figure out what the base, if it's going to be the base, or what the base is going to be moving forward, at least for right now. Or if there's a pause in the trend, maybe silver is just going to chill out for a little bit. I don't know, but I don't worry about it. All I know is that when I checked earlier today, it was at $77.40 an ounce, and that's fine by me. That's fine by me, because I know it's just going to continue to go up, all right? So I'm just going to watch it over the next few sessions, see what it is. I'll give you some more updates over the course of the week, and I'm just going to keep stacking silver. And what I do, if you've been following me, you know that I work with a company called Quicksilver, and they allow you to set up an auto wealth delivery where you can have silver sent to your doorstep on autopilot and not have to worry about it. You know, I just set it, or I forget it. We have a business side of the company where if you want to go and become a wealth ambassador like I am and share the opportunity with other people, both as customers or if they want to become wealth ambassadors, you can earn commissions. I take my commissions, I just roll it back into my business. I'm literally stacking silver for free. Okay? Now, I can't guarantee that for everybody. It's totally dependent on your work ethic. You have to treat this like a business. You have to show up every day, take action, stay consistent, and you know, market your business, treat it like a business. But if you do that, you have the potential to stack free silver like I've been doing for the last couple of years now, right? So I'll leave a link down below. You can go and check this out. You can take a free tour. We'll even send you a free silver bar. You just pay a nominal shipping fee, and the company will send you a free silver bar just for checking us out. So, you know, I don't know what stability like this often comes before the next big move. So it could go up, it could go down. I'm not worried about it. I just know that I like having a tangible asset that has real world value all over the world. You take a piece of silver or gold anywhere in the world and people will recognize it because it's been used as currency for thousands of years before our fiat currency system was ever created, right? And we know that our fiat currency is backed by nothing because Nixon took us off the gold standard back in '71. And so it's backed by nothing. So the feds just print money whenever they wish to. And whenever they do that, it hurts our purchasing power. And that's it. It's worth nothing. It's literally worth nothing. It's worth about as much as the paper that it's printed on. So with silver, a tangible asset, I know that I'm protecting my purchasing power. I know it's a hedge against inflation. And I know that if something ever goes bad in this country, which we don't know what's going to happen, but let's say the electrical grid goes out. Let's say there's something even more catastrophic, and we need ways to barter and to keep our families alive. I know that by having 1 ounce silver coins and other fractional silver on hand, that I'll be able to use that to barter to get things that I need to keep my family going. While, you know, God forbid that ever happens. I don't want that to ever happen. I'm just saying, I like knowing that I have access to my tangible assets when and if I ever need them. Because a lot of people, they buy silver, you know, on the stock market, and it's all on paper. There's no actual physical silver. Or they buy it and, you know, it gets put into a safe in another state and they don't have access to it right away. I like having physical silver that I have access to whenever I need it. So that's why I do what I do, and that's why I work with Quicksilver, because like I said, you can set up an auto shipment. They'll send it right to your doorstep. You have nothing to worry about, and you'll have it in your hand. So that's what I'm doing. I'll keep you posted, like I said. And if you want to check out Quicksilver, I'll leave a link down below. But don't panic about the numbers. Just continue stacking it. And if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. All right? So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I hope you have a great week ahead. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.